John and Karen McRee and our sweet 1-year-old Kodi Border Collie. We're here picking him up for the go home part of it. We chose off-leash canine because of the reviews that they've had and didn't really know what to expect, but we had gotten to a point where we really needed a professional to come on board and help Kodi really fine-tune him. He's been here for 2 weeks, and the amount of progress that he's made is just unbelievable. I would highly recommend anyone who has a puppy dog that needs extra care and training. The advantages for the training that he's gotten now will be in a real world environment. He'll be a lot safer. I'll be a lot safer knowing that I can control him and that he will obey. So I can't thank Justin enough for all of what he's done with Kodi in a short amount of time.